Goodest. Okay. So honorable members and members who are honorable, I was saying number 2, let's discuss a parabola, which is a quadratic in other words. And you know how a quadratic type of an equation looks like. It has to be that one where this x is to the power of 2. So if you try and look into these things, honorable members, you will realize that actually when it comes to a straight line, this is where you have y is equals to x, obviously to the power of 1. That is a number 1, the first type of an equation. And then when it comes to a quadratic or a parabola, you obviously have a. I'm going to explain the impacts of a, and then we have, for example, bx plus c. But in simple terms, you just need to be aware that for a parabola, that's where we just take that x and then we square it. This is a linear when x is to the power of 1. This one, it's a parabola or a quadratic equation when this is to the power of 2. Very much important that you are able to notice the type of a function that you are dealing with, because when you are being asked the questions, you might find that your function is not written in the standard form. So if you know the type of a function that you are dealing with, you can easily rewrite it in the standard form. So that was number 2. So number 3, very quickly or briefly, let's discuss a hyperbola. So a hyperbola, honorable members, this is where now you have your x, let's see, so you've got your a over your x. So you can see that your x, it is there as the denominator. Let's see, there's a comment there when I was at number 2. Okay, so in case if you were able to hear everything about number 1, I restarted explaining this one of number 2, where I started at that part to say this, so you didn't miss much. And number 2, and also do not worry that much, because this lesson is still coming again. Remember, guys, in the beginning I indicated that it's load shedding on my side. My network is not stable, and again the power, it's not enough for us to have a lengthy lesson, so it's definitely going to be a limited lesson. So we will go some more the next time when we do our Zoom lesson. Just as there's a plus here, I don't know what that plus is for. Start a poll, create tools. Okay, guys, let me quickly test this one. Start a poll, ask your question. Let's see, is it clear? Question mark. And then let me say yes, not yet. Add an option. Let me say not sure. You might find that at a later stage, I will make it possible for you guys to have multiple choice. Let's see, start a poll. I've just started a poll. Heban, where is that poll now? Paul Ugu P, where is that poll, Manj? Hi. I started a poll and then now it appeared. Yeah.